I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low.
Alright, so far this is where I got on the Jeep. I was able to knock out all the panels and all the molds on both sides, from the fender to the rear door. So probably next video we'll go ahead and finish up the side skirts here and start to work on the rear, start out the quarter panels and the hatch and the back bumper. So with the panels, all I gotta do is a little bit more fit test, make sure that all the gaps are nice. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get these panels prepared to actually go on. So I have to do a little bit more fiberglassing on the inside of the panels. Behind the panels need to have a layer of fiberglass in order to adhere the panels to the body itself. So I'm going to be working on that. We're going to do a couple more things later on, see how it goes. But so far everything's going good. The rain is killing me and can't do no more. Alright, so this is the very next day. What we're going to do is go ahead and continue on working on the body panels for the car. What I start to do is set up the tape to get fiberglass. So the fiber is going to have a fiberglass edge all the way around the door where the fiberglass panel will sit. And what I'll go and do is put this on the car after the panels is after the fiberglass is there. Put that back on the vehicle and glue it together, and then pop it off the vehicle, and then it'll have a back edge to the panel itself. Help the car, the panel to be able to adhere to the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and keep moving forward. Alright, so this is where we're at with the panels. I was able to get the back side of the panels finished, and they're glued in now. So what I'm going to wind up doing is go ahead and fiberglassing in behind, but I'm going to trim it up first. I'll probably leave about an inch or so around each edge. Just that will be the part that will stick to the body panel. I mean, to the body of the vehicle. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is probably just go ahead and end this video right here. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to go ahead and continue the panels, get those knocked out, and we'll move forward to the other side of the vehicle, get that finished, mocked up with the panels, and we're going to start pulling more body panels for the driver's side, and then we'll be on our way to getting to the rear and hopefully finally finishing up this fiberglass body work. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff that we always know. Peace.